Welcome to Veggie Patch Ideas. I'm Glenn. Today we're doing onion sets. Right, okay, so we've got a nice Japanese onion for you here. This is a Senshyu. This is a good doer if I can keep them in the packet. And then the other one is called Radar, again falling out of packet. Great doer. So without further ado, let's get these in the ground, shall we? So it's time for the onions, and we'll space them around the plot. So don't want to put them all in the same bed. I do like to pop the onions into different beds. So we'll pop a few rows of the Japanese one and then a few rows of the Radar one. So the way we do it, we'll get our label, pop it in the ground, and we just want the tips poking through. You don't have to mark this out. If you don't want to, you can if you want to. If you like a bit formal. Give them room to grow. 3 or 4 inches between each one. And you want the paper side up, so the little ticket side and a flat wiry bottom to the bottom. So that's it, that's 2 rows in there. We've got room for another one. So now what I'll do, I'll cover these with a bit of netting in the early days, just to stop the birds pecking them out. So it's well worth doing if you have a lot of birds around the area. So they're all in, just the tips are poking through. That's how we want them. So I'll put my trusty stick in the middle and then move on to pop in the Radar onion in. So it's literally as simple as that. So 4 inches between each one. There you go. So what I do, I put a bit of shade netting on, or scaffold netting, over the top, and that'll just keep the birds off until I see the green shoots coming through, and then I can take this off. Really simple. I've done this for years and it always works really well.